Welcome to lesson 71 of algebraic concepts, solve compound inequalities. So please watch lesson 70 so this lesson will make sense to you. All right, here's our objective, our rules and notes, some things about inequalities. If it's underlined, the circle is colored in, which includes the number. If the inequality is not underlined, the circle is open, which does not include the number. So that's the big difference between inequalities. And if your variable's on the left, the arrow will match the direction of the number line, the solution set to the number line. So if the variable is on the left, the arrow will match the solution set, the direction of the solution set. So please always put your variable on your left after you're done. Okay, so again, these get split, solve them as separate inequalities. So you have 2 is less than x plus 6, and then you have x plus 6 is less than 8. And so we subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 4 is less than or equal to x. Flip it everything around. X is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now, we did not multiply by a negative, and you may be confused why I switched everything around. I switched everything around. I didn't just flip the inequality when I turn it around. The x, the inequality, and the 4 moved. If we were to multiply or divide by a negative, then you would just switch the inequality symbol. So please take note of that and the difference of switching things around to keep the inequality on, to keep the variable on the left. So on the right side, I subtracted 6 from both sides, and I got x is less than or equal to 2. So let's look at this compound inequality. So we have negative 4, and we have 2, and we have greater than or equal to 4, and less than 2, and it's all numbers in between negative 4 and 2, including negative 4 and 2. Okay, so this one here is separated for us. So we're going to solve. We're going to add 5 to both sides. So a is less than 8, or add 5 to both sides. A is less than 2. So here again is one of those goofy situations. The solution set is all real numbers except for 8 and 2. So just roll with it. 2 is not included in the solution set. It should be because it's all numbers less than 8. So be careful for ones like this. Sometimes they get a little tricky. All right, well, those were our examples, and I will do the practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for the review. Okay, so again, split your inequality. That's negative 7, is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. And then 2x minus 1 is less than 3. Add 1 to both sides. 2x is less than 4. Now you solve it like a regular inequality. X is less than 2. Add 1 to both sides. Negative 6 is less than or equal to 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides. Negative 3 is less than or equal to x. Flip everything. X is greater than or equal to 3. And x is less than 2. So negative 3 and then 2. Open circle. Close circle at 3. And it's all points in between. Okay. Divide both sides by negative 4. C is less than or equal to negative 2. Divide both sides by 6. C is greater than 4. Negative 2. Close circle. And then 4. Open circle. And everything to the right. Usually, your or inequalities will be outside and your and inequalities will be inside. Usually, that's the way it works out. So, this is our video lesson. This video is meant to be watched with lesson 2070. So, please watch them together. If you watch this one, go back and watch 2070 first and then come to this one. So thank you for watching. I will hope you will subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.